Namaste students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. I am Uma Malhotra, your science teacher is right here from RSP Group of School YouTube channel. Today we will talk about a new chapter, Separation of Substances, chapter number 5 of class 6. So, are you ready? So let's go. Are you excited? Me too. Now take a look at the session away. Here I am going to give the introduction about the separation of substances. Later on we will discuss about the various methods of separation. But out of them, in this video we will discuss about any four. The first is hand picking, winnowing, tracing, and the last one sieving. Alright students? Okay. So I'm quite sure that a lot of you don't like to eat vegetables. Isn't it? No? Am I right? Yes, I'm right. So, what would you do? Although you all are educated and you know very well, these vegetables provide many things to your body. It protects your body from the various diseases, and also it keeps your body healthy and fit. But even then, when your mom says eat vegetable, what would you say? No, I don't like. So what would you like? Chocolates, chips, or maybe junk foods, isn't it? So that's why your mother cook a veg pulao or a veg poha for you, isn't it? You like na? But even then, something what would you not like, that you don't like, you will pick it up and throw it. For example, see here, in poha, chilies are here. So if you don't like, then what should you do? What would you do? You will pick up that chili and throw it. Pick it up, throw it. Pick it up, throw it. In the same manner you will do, and after that you will eat poha. Isn't it? Definitely it will be. So why you are separating the thing from the poha? Why are you doing so? Acha, okay, tell me, then what are you doing exactly here? You are separating the things from the poha. You are separating the things from the poha. It means you need to separate chilies from the poha. Why? Because you don't like it. So it becomes unwanted substance for you. So that's why you pick up the chilies from the poha and throw it. Isn't it? Isn't it? So basically we come to conclusion that we need the separation. We need the separation. Why do we need the separation? Just because to separate unwanted or harmful substances from the mixture, or to make the substance pure. So here are the two reasons. Here are the two reasons behind that why do we need separation? Why? Because we want to separate the unwanted things. For example, chili from the poha. And if you eat, if your mother is giving veg pulao to you and you don't like pea, then what should you do? What would you do? You will pick up the pea and throw it. So in the same manner, unwanted things or the harmful substances you are separating. Okay, and the second is you want to make the something pure. Okay, all right. Have you got the base? Good. Now the next is, here we will discuss about the various methods of separation. The first method is hand picking method. Hand picking method. Just before I have told you, you pick up the chilies from the poha. So how does the work? You pick up the chili and throw it. So how do it? So when you pick up the chili and throw it, you have used your hand. So by using hand, you have done this process. That's why it is called hand picking method. Hand picking method. You must have seen at your home, your mother or any other who is cooking the food at your house. She take the rice or dal before cooking on the plate, and she will pick up the black substance or any stone if it is found out. Found out in the rice, so she will pick it out. Isn't it or not? So what we call this method? This method is called hand picking method. What we call hand picking method. Are you getting my point? Good. So when we use this method, or where we can use this method, okay? So we can use this method only in that case when a larger sized substances are to be separated. That substance you are picking, वो हाथ में तो आना चाहिए, isn't it? तो इतना बड़ा तो हो कि वो आपके हाथ में आए. So it should be a larger sized. Okay. The second thing, it should be in very less number in the mixture. अगर वो पूरा भरा हुआ होगा तो how could you do it? है ना? At the end of the day you getting tired or say, mom, we will not do later on this and that. Isn't it or not? So it should be less in number. Now the next thing is there. If you will take a, suppose it should be in a quantity also measure here. So if you will suppose 30 kg rice is there and you have to do this one and pick it out and take, so this work become a very tiresome for you, isn't it or not? You will start from the day and until the end of the day you are again getting tired. So we can't do it. It's not possible. So in that case we will not use this hand picking method. Clear? Of course. So I hope you have understood this topic. Now the second topic we will take, or second method, that is winnowing. You must have gone any village and you have seen there any woman is taking a basket like material and keep on the top of the head and doing like that. In this manner, she stand on the high platform, and after that she keep this basket like material and doing like that. Have you seen? So what she does? She is keeping the grains in it, and after that when she does like that, then what happens? The lighter particles they are thrown far away from the person, and the heavier particles they throw near to the person. Isn't it? So this is the method in which we can separate the lighter particles from the heavier one. Okay, so this method we generally use to separate the lighter particles from the heavier one, and to separate, we are having the example, farmers also using this method to separate the husk from the grains. From husk, they separate the husk from the grains. Why? Because this husk are the lighter particles and the grains are heavier one. So the grains they are collected near to the person, and the husk they will fly away from the person. Clear? Clear to all? So here this process is done by using wind. Okay, so who does this process? Wind. Okay. Now the next is tracing. Tracing. Do you know what is the exactly meaning of tracing? Tracing means beating. What do you mean? Beating. So tracing means beating. Here in the case of tracing, why we are using here? Because we beat the stalks. Why? Listen carefully. Okay. Here you can see the farmers, they are after harvesting the stalk, they are getting in this type of stalk. This is the wheat stalk. And the grains are lying there. Can you see? The grains are lying there. There are lot of stalks are there. So is it possible, you think over, you imagine this thing, is it possible to take the one stalk and remove by hand all the grains? Is it possible for the farmers? No. So what they are doing, they collect all the stalks together, tie up, and after that they beat on the hard surface or hard rock. So in this manner all the grains are separated from the stalks, okay, from the stalks, and in this manner they can easily separate all the grains from their stalks. So this process is called threshing. What we call this process? Threshing. Understood? Now the last process we are having, sieving. Sieving. The last process is sieving. Have you heard this name, sieving? You must have seen the sieve at your home, definitely. Your mother is also sieving the flour to separate the fine particles of the flour, है ना? और you must have seen in the process of when sieving the tea. So tea leaves remain on the sieve and the tea fallen down in the cup, isn't it? The tea is fallen down in the cup. So in this manner you have seen in this sieving process, it is the process to separate the substance from the different sizes when the mixture are of two different sizes. So the one thing can be separated from the another one by using sieve, that is called sieving. On your construction site also you have seen one big sieving. Through it they are sieve the sand. So the sand the fine particles of the soil are separated from the bigger stones, bigger particles of the stones, isn't it? So they are using sieve. So sieve is also a process by which we can separate the things which are having a different sizes. Remember this thing, here we have to use sieve also. So that's all about it. Okay, so have you understood? I hope you understood about the method of separation, handpicking, winnowing, threshing and sieving, and also you have understood then why do we need separation. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.